maintaining a clean and organized pantry can be a little tricky. We can help you with this minor kitchen dilemma with just a few tricks that we have in our sleeves. Stay tuned because we will be showing you how to organize a well-stocked pantry with few organizer containers. Get storage bins with cover. A full-stocked yet disorganized pantry is a sight for sore eyes. With these storage bins with their own covers, you can hide your colorful groceries in their own separate containers. You can also easily account for which needs to replenish in your next grocery run. Storage containers are convenient and efficient. Having storage containers is not only convenient, it also makes you efficient. You won't have to grab and open a lot of packages or think about how to seal them shut again. Storage containers can make your breakfast in the mornings quick and easy, and your meal preps hassle-free. Get a Lazy Susan for your spices. Maximize your pantry space and minimize your meal prep with a Lazy Susan for your spices. You won't have to look at different drawers and check every spice jar once you find your own system with your very own spice rack with a Lazy Susan. Cleaning and reorganizing your pantry probably isn't at the top of your priorities, but just look at how satisfying seeing a well-stocked and organized pantry is. It makes you want to stay more in the kitchen as you can now keep all of your favorite foods in the same place, organized and ready to go. Shop now for your own storage containers, spice racks, and other storage organizers at any AllHome branch or online via allhome.com.ph. Keep in touch with us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video.